Yo, what's up guys? So, it's been a while since I did an update video on the Hawaii Kai project, so we're gonna go tour that and show you all the updates. But first, we're gonna go visit my neighbor and give her some treats. The reason why we're gonna do that is because she's not just any regular neighbor, she's the neighbor that bought a house on my street for $4 million. So, because she did that, she rose the ARV of the flip from 2.2 million to 2.5 million. I met her like 2 weeks ago and she was a super nice lady, and I was like, oh, you know what? I gotta go schmooze it up a bit and give her some treats. It's just, being nice and making some connections, and I'm probably gonna just tell her like, hey, if you know any other neighbors that wanna sell their house, let me know and I'll buy it. But yeah, hope she's home. All right, Andrew, you recording? All right, let's go. All right, we're approaching the door. Here we go. Hope she's home. Oh, I hear a dog. I hear her dog. Oh, that's the neighbor's dog. Okay. Is she home? Please be home. Why am I nervous? One more time. Damn, she's not home. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna try next time. Oh, there's my name. She's right behind us. Cheryl. That's so funny. I went to knock on your door, but anyway, here's some treats, from your neighbor. Yes, that's my favorite donuts.
Oh my God.
It's so funny you come at the same time. I hear it. Yeah.
So I'm like, who's parked in front of my house? And then I was like, oh wait, I know the red car.
Yes, yeah.
I don't remember your name.
Jeremy. Yeah, I'm Jeremy. Nice to meet you.
Hey.
Nice to meet you. No, I ran into her like 2 weeks ago, and I was like, hey, thanks for buying this $4 million house, Because I'm the neighbor over there. I'm flipping that house, so.
Selling that house. So
Yeah.
which house?
635.
Oh.
Yeah. So basically, thanks to you, all the property values went up. So thank you.
You're welcome.
But yeah, enjoy the donuts, enjoy the wine. That's my favorite donuts and wine. And if yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, if you know any other neighbors that want to sell, give me a call and I'll buy it and I'll still be your neighbor.
Yeah. I noticed some inspectors.
Over there? Oh, okay.
Yes. There were house inspectors. Someone did some. Must have, or why would there be homeowner inspectors?
I know, right? But anyway, I'll get out of your way now. Hope you guys have a good day. No, I'm gonna, I shoot YouTube videos, so I'm shooting another progress update at my house. Yeah. So. My name, Jeremy Mateo. You can just search me on YouTube. Yeah, and I put my card in the card. Yes. So you have my number. Yeah, Jeremy Mateo. Yeah. So if you guys follow me, I'll follow you guys back. All right. Have a nice day. Bye. What are the odds, dude? I come out, I was like, oh, she's not home, and then I come out, oh, crap, she's right behind you. Nice lady, but yeah, that was so funny.
All right, let's go check out the house.
That was not planned, by the way. What? Okay, yeah, so now let's check out the house. Oh, side note, life update, if you guys didn't notice, I got tatted over here and over here.
Nice.
It was kind of a spur of the moment kind of thing. YOLO. Relentless. Yeah, it's my favorite book by Tim Grover. Go check it out. Changed my life. It'll probably change your life too. So the reason why I did that is, not only to be a good neighbor, but you're creating relationships. Like I was telling her, if you know any other sellers that, or if you know any other neighbors that want to sell their home, let me know and I'll buy it. It could be my next project. And if nothing comes out of it, that's fine, because now I have a friend that owns a $4 million house. But anyway, let's go check out the progress. As you guys can see, we have the exterior paint already done. We got a new garage in, and can't wait to show you guys the inside. All right. Got New lights here. Got new hardware in. Inside's all clean. We got the new and we got the new doors in right here. All right, are you guys ready? Let's go. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. So yeah, floors are all in. We changed everything, painted everything. We got AC, the HVAC in, the windows, doors, I already said that. Let me turn on the kitchen lights. How do I do this? But yeah, it's starting to look really nice. Almost done. Yeah, dude. Let me see. Yeah, bro. We got the appliances in. This island. We got the countertops. Oh my God. This is looking really nice. The cabinets. Check this out, yo. Soft close. Oh, nice, okay. So here are the doors. Remember I was saying that this used to be a window, this was a door. So we cut out the window, and we put this so there's double doors. That way, when you're out here and just looking at the water, you just have like a nice view of the marina, the boats, other nice houses. But once this is already installed, I think this week we're gonna finish the rest of the floors inside, and then we're gonna start the deck outside. But before we go outside, let me show you guys the rest of the house. So here is the laundry room slash pantry. We're just waiting for the washer and dryer to come in. But the countertops, cabinets, I love soft close. We got the sink in. We're gonna install some pantry shelves in here. But yeah, it's looking real nice. Woo. Cool. So you guys remember that gnarly bathroom, right? Check this out. Ooh. Wow, whoa. Check out the ceilings, whoa. If you guys remember, there was a giant hole in the ceiling right here. Like when we first started, literally a hole, and you could see the sky. Like, thank God it didn't rain when that hole was open. But yeah, if you remember where I'm standing, that used to be that weird jacuzzi. There's a lot of space in here, tub thing. Cut that out, put a desk right here, put this nice tub right here. Whoa. This nice Amazon rainfall shower thing. This is really nice. This came out really nice. Wow. And then dual sinks. We're just waiting for the mirrors to be installed. This is my favorite part of this house right now. It's so sick, especially the lights. Let's have a party. Walk in here. Pretty sick, right? All the windows. This window, yeah, no more hole. If you guys remember, all this was just like gnarly, like that. And then we cut out a hole here just to give the master bedroom some, better views of what's gonna be the deck and, the marina, boats, all that nice stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If we go in here, this is like, I guess the junior suite, I guess. This room also comes with a bathroom. We'll go over here. Oh wow, the mirror's installed. We got the mirror, sink. We got the nice shower, So there's that. And then here's the hallway. This is just another bathroom, same exact thing, but with a tub. Look at that. And then this is bedroom number 3. Yeah, it's just bedroom number 3. And then right next door, we got bedroom number 4. Cool. All right, now that I showed you guys the inside, let's go outside and we'll show you what we did with that. Woo. All right, so here's the outside. We're getting it ready. If you guys remember, there was a big papaya tree here, and then like right over there too, there was just a patch of grass. So we cut that, filled it with cement, filled this with cement, reinforced this wall right here to get it ready for the big deck. I can't wait for that. So what we're planning to do is build from here onward and build a giant deck from here to there. And where you're standing, we'll come around here. Right here is gonna be a badass jacuzzi. So you have a jacuzzi here with the deck. We're gonna build around the jacuzzi. That way, you know, whoever buys this can have fun, party on the deck, enjoy the jacuzzi, and just have a good time living on the water. Pretty cool, huh? Would you guys live here? I mean, this is a pretty nice spot. Like right on the water. I hope I don't fall. What? But anyway, that's pretty much the update. As of today, it is April 11. My GC says we are probably like, I don't know, 3-4 weeks away from completion. But the next update video will probably be when this is all done, when the deck and the jacuzzi installed. So stay tuned, and thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Later.